The issue is you can easily apply gradients to a shape, but if you have a text, we are not able to apply gradient to this text. In this video, we will learn how to apply gradient to text in Adobe Illustrator. This is part 38 of Adobe Illustrator series. Click on the type tool to select it and then click on any part of the artboard. A text cursor will appear. Type the text you need. With the selection tool, select your text and open the Appearance panel by going to Window menu and choose Appearance. Now click the Add New Fill button. Make sure that the newly added fill stays selected. This enables us to fill the text with a color or a gradient. Click on the square next to the word Fill. You can select any of the options in this swatches panel. Among those options are colors and gradients. Now select a gradient. Once you have applied it, you can edit the gradient or the text as you wish. But wait a minute, if you take a closer look at this text, then you will see a black outline. Even if you change the gradient, it is still there. This happens because the original color of the text is still here under our gradient. To fix this problem, I have to remove this color. So go to Appearance panel and double click the character option to see the text appearance option. Click the Fill Color option and select the None color here. To return to the appearance setting, click the Type option. Once everything is okay, you can edit the gradient or the text as you want. Now to edit the text, simply choose Type tool and edit the text. To edit the gradient, open the Gradient panel by going to Window menu and choose Gradient. And edit the gradient as you want. That's all in our part 38 of Adobe Illustrator 0 to Hero complete course, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you want to master in Adobe Illustrator. By the way, if you have not seen our earlier videos, please take a look. This course is especially designed for those who are brand new to Adobe Illustrator. It covers everything in full detail. Link is given in the description and first comment. That's all for today. See you in part 39.